Hello everyone, just finished a jog and great scenery, so I thought it's a good time to whip out the camera and tell you about the challenge I'm about to do. So over the next 6 months, I'm going to go from absolutely zero, no knowledge of programming at all. I can probably make a Hello World application with a lot of trial and error, but that's it. So absolute beginner. And in 6 months time, I'm going to go from there to someone who's proficient enough in Python and has a good enough understanding of the kind of computer science fundamentals to go out and get a full-time job. So I'm going to be documenting the entire thing, 5 videos a week to help everyone else out and just kind of as a little project to myself to keep myself going. So yeah, hope you enjoy.
Right, hello. So I just wanted to give you a little bit more detail on the challenge I've set out. So starting tomorrow, I'll be uploading 1 video per day to document my process learning Python from scratch over the course of 6 months. And I'll be starting from the absolute bottom. I'll be going over which laptop I've chosen. I'll be looking at the best sites, the best courses, the best books, the resources I found most useful. And I'll be uploading a video a week to show my progress, another video to give a tutorial on some of the concepts I've learnt, and then just other helpful videos, 1 per day throughout the week. So if you would find that useful and if you're interested in following this along with me, please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for the first day of the challenge.